गैप डाउन और अपन ने जाके S1 पिवट टेस्ट किया, S1 pivot test किया, but we didn't close below that S1 pivot. So what happened was S1 pivot test करके we again gave a up move, then again went down, again tested that pivot, and then went up higher and tested previous day's VWAP and previous day's closing pivot. Okay. Secondly, if you draw a trend line from the high, intraday high, okay, this was the intraday high of 6th, 7th, and so we did a trend line using those highs, and what we see is कि निफ्टी एक बार ऊपर जाने का ट्राई किया, नीचे आ गया, वापस इस ट्रेंड लाइन को टेस्ट किया. अगर कल निफ्टी इस ट्रेंड लाइन के ऊपर जाता है, then we can look for a buy trade. Now adding one layer of other indicators to this. So I generally use, you can see since the day we made a high, Nifty has been coming down, testing its averages, coming down, testing its average, coming down and testing its average, then again going up. Now what is happening is these averages are converging, they are becoming one. Okay, when the averages converge, they initiate a bigger move. Okay, look at daily chart as well. All the averages are coming together. The 9, the 21, the 50, all are coming together. 9 and 21 are basically converging with each other. So a big move in Nifty is loading. If it is an upside move, then we must go above this average of say 345, 20 to 345. And if it has to go down, then we must break this swing low and consequently the previous day's lows. This is a simple price futures chart. अगर आप फ्यूचर्स चार्ट देखेंगे, फ्यूचर्स का चार्ट बहुत सिंपल सा है. एक मैंने एंकर्ड वीवैप प्लॉट किया, जिस दिन निफ्टी ने हाई लगाया उस दिन से ऊपर से एंकर्ड वीवैप प्लॉट किया. दिस ग्रीन लाइन रिप्रेजेंट्स द एंकर्ड वीवैप. दिस रेड लाइन दैट इज कमिंग represents the anchored VWAP from the lows. You should remember that lows were made on the day the election process started. Okay, it was that day जब सुबह अर्ली मॉर्निंग एक डिप था, गैप बहुत बड़ा गैप डाउन था और न्यूज़ था कि इजराइल हैज़ इनिशिएटेड एन अटैक ऑन ईरान. ये उस दिन के लोज थे. तो आज निफ्टी जब नीचे गया, नीचे से आके उसने पहला टेस्ट वही एंकर्ड वीवैप को किया. फ्यूचर्स का एंकर्ड वीवैप इज सजेस्टिंग जब तक अपन ये वाला जो सेलर है इसके एवरेज के ऊपर नहीं निकलते, दैट इज द ग्रीन लाइन, वी शुड नॉट इनिशिएट अ पोजिशनल बाय कॉल. ठीक है, फेयर इनफ. नाउ एडिंग अनदर लेयर टू इट, the atom in straddle of 20 to 300 closed at around 140. You add 140 points above and deduct 140 points below. It gives you a range that the writer is expecting the Nifty to do it. Now 140 points one day before expiry is on a higher side, but since the VIX is also high, so the premiums are high. So first half you can expect a silent move, maybe Nifty consolidating in a certain range, so that there is a theta decay and the premium come down to maybe 70-80 rupees for the straddle, and then a bigger move might come. So that's it for today.
If you like the video, do share, subscribe to my channel so that I can produce more quality content like this. Thank you.